Hi everyone, my name is Paola Stephanie Pinzon Ahumada. I study vet medicine. I am 18 years old. I come to talk about a woman who is involved in the field of vet medicine differently. Her name is Temple Grande. She was born in Boston, Massachusetts, United States. She suffered from autism since she was little, but she learned to see the world differently. To zoologists would think about image. She is 72 years old. She is a teacher of animal behavior at the University of Colorado as well as an ethnologist and zoologist. She has always been a single woman. She is smarter than expected. She's managed to study and work in important fields. She studied psychology at Franklin Pierce College in 1970, received her master's degree from Arizona State University in 1975, and her received doctorate from the University of Illinois in 1999. She has worked as an agricultural editor designing livestock facilities and is currently a teacher of animal behavior at Colorado University. She is considered one of the most influential personalities in the world. She is important because she has seen the behavior of animals differently, and during her life she has been fighting for the welfare of many animals, especially cattle. She will be a teacher who will look to her students for the potential for them to find their vocation and be what they want to be. She managed to overcome her difficulties thanks to her way of seeing the world with image differently, but that helped her to become unique and understand many things that today interest me to the world. She makes the world differently and with more understanding, and also she make encourage students to fight for their dreams. If you want to know more about his character, I recommend the movie called Temple Grande. Thank you.